Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rotate media, that includes pictures and videos, in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Firstly, I'll add my video to the editing track right at the bottom, and now that I've done that, I'll go into the editing tab, which is the third from the left in the bottom. Once I'm here, I'll just select the video itself like this, make sure it is orange or that it is bordered orange. Let me just mute the video for a second so that sound doesn't exactly play. And once I'm there, I want to click inspector, and under video, you'll see the transform options. You just want to make sure that's ticked off. And here you'll see the rotation angle. You can use the slider to rotate it however you want, or you can use the numbers to rotate it by a certain number of degrees. Let's say I want 90, and then I'll just zoom it out. And as you can see, now I can transform it into a vertical video. However, another thing you can do once you're here, and let me just change this back to 0, you can just click on it and click here in this rectangle, which is transform, and now you have all of this. Now the lines are a bit hard to see, but next to the center you'll have this single circle in the middle of the rectangle, and you can just click that and drag it and rotate the video however you want. And as you can see, now I've rotated it by approximately 90 degrees, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.